What's happening, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, hosted by the one and only, the Forest God, the Forest King. It's Luke, your mentor. As you can see by the title of this video, we'll be breaking down trade setups that will be taking on gold this upcoming week. So grab your notepad, grab your pen, and write down notes. Apart from that, guys, do hit the like and subscribe button, as it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Not only that, you'll get notified when I drop bangs like this, because that's the only thing we'll be dropping in this channel. Now let's get into the video. Now looking at the weekly time frame, as you can see that the story in this particular purple zone is that every single time price came to zone, it pushed down again here, it pushed down again here. So if the market could potentially come here to the zone again, we do anticipate the market could potentially sell. Not only that, as you can see that the market actually printed out a high and a high low here, and then a high, broke through this higher low, creating a lower low, came back to create a high. So I do anticipate that the market could potentially sell off. So on my weekly, I'm ultimately in an overall bearish trend. Look at my daily time frame. On my previous daily structure, we had this impulse correction continuation. Market then broke through this daily trend line, which is the red one, created somewhat of a low. I do anticipate the market to come here, print out a lower high before it actually pushes down. So on my daily, I'm in a sell as well, guys. On my H4 time frame, we had this initial high, initial low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Market then broke through this H4 structure, as you can see based on the screen, trend line creating a high and a high low. So on my H4 time frame, guys, I'm in an overall buy, but on my weekly, I'm in a sell. On my daily, I'm in a sell, and on my H4, I'm in a buy. On my H1 time frame, guys, we initially had this downwards bearish structure. We had this impulse correction, continuation. Market then broke through this H1 time frame, creating a high right here, as you can see, breakout structure, and a higher low. That's when we drew this particular fib right here. This was our point A, point B. Then this was our projection around the -27 area. Now yesterday, guys, let me just remove this because it really cluttering my chart. So yesterday, guys, the market was around here when it actually opened. So I was anticipating for sells. As you can see that we had actually hit our -27%, which is an error reversal if the market actually somewhat retraced to a level below 61.8 on our fib. Market came to a -27% level, as well as this weekly zone. This is a weekly key level, guys. Let me just make it black. Yeah, weekly black, and then I'm gonna lock this. So it actually came to this weekly foundation, had a ascending channel as well as divergence. As you can see that the RSI is actually moving towards a downside, while price action is actually moving towards upside. So we had a -27% reversal, a level right on ascending channel, divergence as well, and then we actually broke structure. So I was somewhat of anticipating for the market to actually sell, and it just so happened that the market, when I was analyzing the market, it was literally at this point here. So I was like, okay, the market potentially sell off, and actually, as you can see, it did come to at least this trend line. Market retest this trend line, this trend line as well, this area once again before it pushed down. As you can see, I actually respected this fib again, hit my -27% level, and then it reversed. So currently, as you can see, that the market on the 5-minute time frame is doing somewhat of the same thing that we saw on the higher time frame. We do have an ascending channel. We do have divergence as well, projected towards the zone, market broke this level of resistance without actually testing as support. So I do anticipate that the market could potentially, guys, sell to this zone right here before it actually pushes up, and then I might get into a position right here if the market prints out a bullish variation candlestick. However, if the market decides to break the zone, retest, give me some form of bullish variation, I will take this to the monthly foundation. So guys, that's the end of this market breakdown. Again, guys, do hit the like and subscribe button as to get notified when we drop videos. And without further wasting any of your time, we out.